put in the order.
You didn't tell me you was coming. You wouldn't have come.
Third wheeling. I've always been the third wheel. Like when or when or like right now.
You know what? I'm gonna go.
Why? You just
I have to
got
do
here.
something for my dad.
You don't even talk to your dad.
I'll just go.
Right.
Did we do something wrong?
The thing about being a loner is that everyone expects you to act like you're not. Some see it arrogant or maybe egoistic. While I truly might be strange and antisocial, half the time I am on a hunt within myself. Because I am in my own head all the time. I notice everything and I recall every single memory. I'm quiet on the outside, but on the inside, I'm a storm waiting to happen.
You walk so fast.
What are you doing?
Since you decided to be a party pooper, I decided to bring the party to you.
You're stubborn.
Me, I'm stubborn. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to eat this food all by myself.
You bought food for me?
Yeah, we can share mine. But since you're not hungry, I don't know.
Oh, I suddenly became hungry.
What sort of stupid question is that?
So, what do you hope mean by calling you sis?
I don't know.
Been in my room and I've taken by mistake on
She's always up to something.
is that so hard?
That is why I avoid her.
You even have the
She now has so many followers. Did you see?
no. I did not go to your room.
I don't really care.
When someone was asking about her
You
story,
can have the rest.
asked if you were bored.
That's me being the bigger person.